Hi everyone, so this week we're going to talk about advanced conditionals. So from the previous week, you have learned about if else. This week we will learn more advanced example. So let's look at the outline. What we're going to learn today is the first one, how to build a condition. So you need to have the condition whether if the condition is true, which direction are you going to choose? And to build a condition, you need relational expression or Boolean algebra. And the next one is conditional statements. So last week is about if-else statement. This week we're going to cover about switch statement, go-to statement, and ternary operators. So let's look at the first topic about how to build a condition. So what is relational expression? Relational expressions consist of the first one, relational operator, that compare two operands and get the result only true or false. So true is 1, false 0. Look at this example. Price is the operand and 10.63 also another operand here, and you have the relational operators in the middle here. So you're now comparing. So the first operand is price, the second one is this number 10.63. You have two operands with one relational operator, which is this less than. So you're now comparing whether the price is less than this number or not, and the result can only be true or false. So what are the relational operators? So looking at the relational operator, we have a couple operators that we can think of. The first one that you probably know is the less than sign. And you have less than, you have more than, and less than equal, more than equal, and what else? The equal sign. You have equal sign, you also have not equal sign. So looking at this part, you need two operands to compare with these operators. For example, 3 less than 4. Is it true or false? 3 less than 4 is true, right? Or the value is 1. How about 5 more than 1? Is this true? No. Is it true? Yes or no? 5 more than 1. Yes. Obviously, 5 is more than 1, so you get the value ones are true. How about 10 less than equal to, sorry, let me draw it better. So 10 more than, so this is the less than sign, so it needs to be 10 less than equal to 5. Is it correct? 10 is more than 5, so you get false here, which is 0. How about the other one? If I ask 20 more than equal to 10, the answer is true. This one is mean you asking whether it's equal or not. So if I'm asked 20 equal to 20, they both equal, so you get true here. If I'm asked 20 not equal 20, you get false because 20 is equal to 20. So this expression is wrong. So let's looking at example here. As we showed in the previous slide, you can evaluate to be 1 or 0. So 1 mean true, 0 mean false. So look at the first one. The expression 7 less than 10 has the value of, so 7 is less than 10, so it's true, it's half the value of 1. Second one, minus 1 more than 5.5. Is it more than 5.5? No, right? So the answer is 0. How about this one? Score more than 0. It depends on the value of variable score. So if score equal to 0, 0 is more than 0. Yes or no? No, 0 is not more than 0. 0 is equal to 0. Score equal to 1. So 1 is more than 0, right? So you get the value 1 here. So let's have a look on another example. So look at the right hand side, it's invalid. Can you identify why it's invalid here? The first one, is it the valid operator? No. You need to have, if you want to say less than or equal, you need less than and then equal sign here. And the second one, we don't have these operators. We need to change it to be here, right? And how about this one? You don't have space here. It needs to be double equal. Again, with this one. So make sure that if you want to use the relational operators, you choose it's the correct side. And your left hand side is the valid example. Okay, so let's have a look how can we use the condition in the code. So looking at another example, we have two statements in C program. What is the output? Looking at the first one, you print f the value of 10 less than 20 and you print out the result from 10 less than 20 here. And the second one, you're going to print out the value of minus 1 more than 10. So from %d, you get the result in integer, but both condition is going to be either 1 or 0. So shall we looking at this in the complete program? So let's get started. Okay, so here is the complete program that we want to demonstrate what is the result here. So if we look at this line, what you think is going to return? 10 less than 20? Is it true, right? But you're going to print %d. So the format of %d is to return integer to the output. So true mean 1. And for this one, minus 1 more than 10. Is it true? Minus 1 is less than 10, so it's false. So you get 0. So let's see if we run the program, what happened. So I click build and run here. So is that right? 10 less than 20, yes. So it's 1. Minus 1 more than 10, no, so you get 0. So this is how the condition works.